thing I like about engineering is that in many areas of life, there's a lot of complexities and challenges within them, and being able to simplify those down into easy to work with solutions is a lot of fun. It's something I really enjoy doing.
I like engineering at Axxess because there's always new challenges every single day. So nothing's the exact same, and allowing me to innovate and engineer new solutions for every single challenges that come across.
At Neumont, we worked on teams from the very beginning, every single quarter, which really helped getting used to and ready for the workplace.
My experience at Neumont has helped me a lot inside Axxess. A lot of the experience that I gained and skills in Neumont was able to directly be translated to the projects that I could immediately start working on.
One thing I like working about here in Axxess is being able to work in the home care industry. It's something that I was kind of interested in, but not really being interested in being a doctor specifically, but being able to impact clients, either actual patients or nurses, and help them deal with any challenges they may have in a different way is something I really like.